So you want to know how to prank? I'm DennisRoady, and today I'm going to show you how to make fake AirPods from home. That's right, you can make these AirPods from home just in time for the holidays. So when your friends and family come in town, you can print a bunch of these out, lay them around the house, and fool them, prank them, have a lot of fun with it. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All you got to do to set this prank up is go on Google and search for AirPods PNG, actual size. When you're looking around, you find an image that you like most, print it out. But you're not going to print it out on regular paper. No, you're going to print it out on photo paper, really shiny, glossy photo paper, because you want this to look real. Print out the AirPods that you like on the photo paper and try to make it to the actual size that you think it is. Next, carefully cut out your AirPods with some scissors and then get some double-sided tape. Now all you have to do is get some scissors and carefully cut your AirPods out. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be sticker paper because we're going to use double-sided tape after you cut it out. Make sure you get some scissors and clean up the edges. You don't want any double-sided tape exposed. If a little bit's sticking out, that's all right. But the more you can clean it up and not show any double-sided tape behind it, I think the better your sticker will look. But now that you got double-sided tape here, you can literally stick it anywhere you want, for the most part, and it's gonna stick there, just like a sticker. So this is how you make fake AirPod stickers at home. This way you can prank your friends and family. Let me know in the comments below, what do you want for Christmas? Do you want AirPods for Christmas? Do you already have AirPods? Who would you do this prank to? And where on earth are you gonna put your sticker? Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already with the notification bell on. Go to prankkits.com, prank your friends and family just in time for Christmas. We got really cool prank toys like the spring snake. That's a fun one to put in a stocking. When someone opens it, pow! Spring snake comes out. The neck popper, bone popper.
Oh, crap!
You don't pop your neck ever?
It don't sound like that.
Really?
Jesus Christ.
I gotta do it here, do it.
No! No, that was not your neck.
You heard it?
Yes, I heard it.
Is that loud?
Yes, it was loud.
I'm gonna do it again. Tell me if you hear it.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
Rip that neck, make everyone freak out. It's one of my favorite pranks to pull. So many more pranks you can get at prankkits.com. Make sure you go there. I appreciate it. Every single sale at prankkits.com goes towards my new goal. That's right, I have a new goal. It's time to reinvent myself. My son went through leukemia. It was a crazy process. I learned a lot, and I found my biggest purpose on earth. Helping kids that are coming out of chemotherapy or any other medical treatment get big and strong again. That's the main goal, but in order to get there, I gotta get certified in physical activity for children and youth as my next certification. So if you're interested in fitness and you wanna work out with me, let's do it. All you gotta do is Instagram me. I've got 10 years in the Army, so I have experience training group fitness or one-on-one individual fitness, you know, through the PT test, evaluations and assessments, along with my own physical training. But I also went to school through FitOps. This is a great organization that literally paved the way for me to get my personal training certification. If you know a veteran, or if your brother or sister is a veteran, if your friend is a veteran, your dad, your mom, anyone is a veteran that you know, you should put them on to fitops.org if they're interested in fitness, helping people in their community to get big and strong and healthy. This organization is amazing. Thank you to Performance House for making this possible. Thank you to John Cena for believing in FitOps and raising $1 million in a fundraiser and then matching that fundraiser to make sure that FitOps can have a future. Personal training, helping kids get big and strong coming out of medical treatment. That's what I want to focus on. In order for me to get there, I gotta get some clients through regular personal training, people like you. I'm a first-hand witness to physical activity being beneficial for your health, especially in children, especially they're going through medical treatment. If you have anyone in your family that's going through medical treatments right now, my heart goes out to you. I wish you all the best of luck and success in the healing road to recovery. I'm excited for my future. I hope you are too. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. I'm giving away one 30-day plan on my online training program and one 30-day plan to someone locally here in Cincinnati. If you guys want to take advantage of that, if you're interested in training with me, I appreciate it, I'm thankful, and I'm excited to work with you. Send me a message on Instagram, DM me at DennisRoady. Let me know if you're interested. Live inspired, shock the world. I'll see you next time.